Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So if you want to wear multiple hair guys, just as you can see my avatar's head has multiple hairs and it has more than 5 hairs. So you can add as many as hair you want. You just need to follow me in this video till the end to wear multiple hairs. But first of all, you have to head over to the roblox.com website. This website. Once you're here, now you have to go to avatar. In avatar, you have to go to head and body and then go to hair. In here, guys, you can see that I've selected many hairs right now. If I trying to select one hair, it will unselect the previous all ones. So if I trying to select multiple hairs, it only select one hair. So how did I do that before? So what you need to do, you have to open a new tab and search for BT Roblox. So there is an extension called BT Roblox, which allow you to select multiple things in Roblox at once. You just need to install this extension. I've already installed it. I just need to go. I just need to enable this extension by going into Manage Extensions and just click on this toggle button to enable it. Once it's enabled, guys, to get the effect of this extension on your website or on your account, you just need to refresh your page. And if you're trying to go back again into here, and if you're trying to select multiple here again, you can see that I can do that by just installing or by using this extension. So I can select as many hair I can. If you have 20 hairs, you can select also that. So yeah, that's the amazing feature, and that's the amazing way to do that. So you just need to select those here that makes your character more or the avatar more um, attractive. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.